guys, we're going to make an amazing and cute little mouse using construction paper. Let's get started. Let's make this cute and easy mouse. Let's get started. Materials needed. We need construction paper. We need a pen. We need 2 circles of white paper. We need 3 strips of black paper. We need tape. And we need scissors. Let's dive into our crafty mouse. Let's take our construction paper and our scissors and fold the construction paper into a half. And cut it like a strip. Like that. Cut it. After cutting it into 2 halves like this, let's take 1 half and cut a little bit of a strip off. Just like that much. Let's cut it into a half again. I cut it into 2 halves like that. Now let's fold it like this in 6 centimeters. Now we'll cut that piece off. Like that. Now let's take the other pieces aside and work on this piece. Let's take our tape and tape it like this. Let's take our tape and tape right there. I have taped the bottom of our roll. Now let's take our scissors and cut it into a V shape. Let's cut one side. And now let's cut the other side. Make sure to put a little space on the bottom. Let's cut it evenly like that. Like that. Now let's attach our mouse, whiskers, and nose. I have attached the whiskers like this. Now I can connect the nose. Let's take our tape. It's a little square will do. Let's take our nose and pop it in the place where the whiskers are. Right there and there. Like that. Now let's attach the ears. We're gonna put the 2 ears like this. I have finished my easy and simple mouse. You can make more mouses as you want. I hope you like my mouse. Thank you. See you. Bye. Squeak.